Hello, my name is Roni, and as someone with a hybrid identity, being born in Bosnia but being fully ethnically Kurdish, a book that resonates a lot with me is Skendera Kulenović's Ponornica. It is a book that talks about a student, Muhammad, that moves to Egypt and then faces this dilemma of following his traditional roots and culture or adapting to more newer Western traditions and culture by meeting people from all around the world. It is something that I've been fighting through also, being part of me being Kurdish, but also part of me being Bosnian is something that I've had problems with, which culture to follow, how to act, what language to think in, for example. And so that's why it's probably my favorite book. It tackles a lot of different topics too, but this particular topic is the reason why I love it so much. Thank you.